You are never going to guess how male platypuses fight. Platypuses are one of the most unique animals on Earth, native to eastern Australia and Tasmania. They are mammals, but unlike most, they lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. With a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and a beaver-like tail, platypuses look like a mashup of different animals. Their bills are packed with electroreceptors, allowing them to detect tiny electrical signals from prey underwater, even with their eyes, ears, and nostrils closed while diving. Platypuses hunt for insects, larvae, and small crustaceans by scooping up mud from riverbeds. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs, which can deliver a painful sting to predators or rivals during mating season. They are excellent swimmers, using their webbed front feet for propulsion and back feet and tail for steering. Platypuses are mostly nocturnal and spend much of their time in burrows near freshwater habitats, making them truly fascinating and mysterious creatures. Like and comment if you like platypuses.